Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make some cinnamon sugar pretzel bites. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to share with you all today's recipe. These cinnamon sugar pretzel bites are so easy to make and they are a family's favorite. I'm also going to be sharing with you all an amazing dipping sauce to go with them. So head on over and let's get started. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add 2 cups of self-rising flour. Then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And 2 cups of milk. And you're going to mix on low speed using the dough hook attachment. You're going to mix until combined. Now if you don't have self-rising flour, you can just whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But remember, the results may vary. Then knead at medium speed for about 3 minutes or until a ball forms. If the dough is too sticky, just add in more self-rising flour a little at a time. Now turn the dough onto a floured surface and sprinkle the top with some flour. And you're going to knead the dough for a few minutes and then form the dough into a ball. Then you're going to cut the dough into 4 wedges. And you're going to roll each piece of dough into a rope. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then cut each rope into segments. I usually like to use 1 piece to help guide me for the others to get about the same size for each one. Now in a saucepan, you're going to bring 6 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a boil. Then you're going to drop the dough bites into the water. I add in about 5 at a time. Turn once or twice and let boil for 30 seconds. Then you're going to transfer them to a greased baking sheet and continue this process for all the dough bites. You're going to bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 10 minutes or until they are golden brown. While the dough bites are in the oven, you can start on the dipping sauce. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar in a mixing bowl. Then going to add in 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix together until fully combined. Now you're going to brush the pretzel bites with some melted butter. Now I have half a cup of cinnamon sugar in a small mixing bowl. And then you're going to roll the pretzel bites in the cinnamon sugar. And you want them to look like this, and continue this process for all the other pretzel bites. I hope you guys enjoyed these cinnamon sugar pretzel bites. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. You want to talk, baby? Shh. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to check out my soft pretzel bites right here and another recipe right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Okay, honey, let's eat.
Woohoo!
Oh, thank you. Yummy, huh?